My name's Dale Wilson. I'm the Managing Director for Australia, New Zealand and Pacific Islands. Our industry is growing year by year. We've got a very strong government that supports solar. The claim to fame is that we've got more solar PV on houses now than swimming pools. We've got a unique approach to our competitors that we want to be fully engaged and a part of every customer that actually uses or touches the Schletter brand or product. So what that means is from the moment we engage with them in engineering, we engineer their solution, we deliver their solution. Customers are seeing a saving in using Schletter from the moment we start delivering a product. Our delivery packages are less than our competitors. They're saving money on freight, they're saving time on the site. For example, our rails, we have 200 rails in a pallet. Our competitors are 90 straight away. Half the freighting costs already in rails. And what that means when it gets to site, half the craning. Or in Australia, we've got such big areas, they even helicopter our rails onto big rooftops. Not only that, when they're on the roof and with our product and the way it's engineered, there's less product, better savings. We minimise our packaging, so when the installer gets the product, it is straight out of the box and onto the roof. There's no assembly work, there's no multiple packaging, there's no plastics, it's only recyclable cardboard, so straight away we're helping them through that whole process. It's 25% quicker than any of our competitors, so we're saving money from the moment they engage with Schletter to the end. And not only that, the 25-year warranty is the global leading warranty for the industry, and we can back that from our years of being in this market. We're supporting the market by teaching the market how to do things better, simpler, easier and safer. Customers know that stock is available and they know that it can get to sites in the right time, and that's where we're bringing value to the installers and why people are now choosing Schletter, especially over the last 12 months with the steep growth we've had in the rooftop market.